Hey guys, how to email a message from iPhone. You can email a text message from an iPhone by either forwarding it, right, directly in the Messages app. So go ahead to the message, tap and hold, excuse me, and then what you're gonna do, hit more, and you're gonna forward it by hitting the arrow thing at the bottom right. And you can take it and add an email address so you can text that message to someone else, or by copying and pasting into a new email in the mail app. So go ahead and copy this, go back to your screen, go ahead to your mail app and initiate a new email. Okay, so go ahead and hit the pencil, add the message here, right, and select or type in the email here. Okay, and basically that's it. Add the subject, obviously, so the receiver can know exactly what the topic is. So after you're done, hit the forwarding or the arrow thing to confirm your deletion. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.